Hello friends and felines, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed, so I barely remember my own intro, but I've kind of explained where I've been and why I haven't been uploading in a few videos here and there. But I think it's been months since I've actually uploaded a video, so if you have stuck with me during that time, thank you very much. But today's video is just going to be a quick catch up with me, you know, where I've been. Hopefully I'll be around more frequently, as well as unboxing my FabFitFun for fall season. So if you guys are curious on what's in the FabFitFun box, as well as where I've been, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I may have fall decorations up and it may be September when this video goes up, but it's still like 85, 87 degrees outside, so it's so hot in my room and I'm sweating balls. So I've always had a love-hate relationship on the transition from summer to fall, because I do love the fall season. I love spooky season. I love being able to like curl up with a blanket and wear sweatpants all the time. But I'm also a summer baby. I was born in August, I just had a birthday, and people always try to rush to fall before my birthday even happens. And I'm like, wait, hold up. I need to celebrate my month, my birthday month, as a Leo in all of her glory before you guys just jump into fall. I am ready for fall decorations and for Halloween looks, and I have so many different things going on this fall that I'm so excited for. And I think the only summer I will be happy for it to come to an end quicker will be next summer, because I will be getting married. Like I said in the beginning, I have not been uploading videos, and I've explained it before, so I'm probably just repeating myself over and over again. But I have a MacBook Air that I had in college that I used to just edit my videos in iMovie, nothing special. But it has filled up with storage, so much so that I can't edit videos on there. Like, I can't even do updates. It's full, and I have nothing on my laptop. There is just like wasted space somewhere that's just like in the other, or like the system storage. So like I can't do anything on my laptop besides like watch Netflix. Fast forward to my birthday, and my loving fiance got me a birthday gift, and he got me a Mac Mini. So I now have another Mac that I can use and edit videos on there that has way more storage, and you can like connect in other hardware to add storage on later. So we can finally get back to editing videos. I'm so excited to be doing that because I've missed editing. I just like creating and editing film, and it's just really fun for me. So I'm very, very thankful to my fiance for my birthday gift. As far as other birthday gifts, let's see. I just got cash from my parents because I need cash for the wedding. From my future parents-in-laws, they gave me a gift card to REI so I can start getting gear for the winter season, like snowshoes and base layers and all the fun stuff that goes with that. Some coworkers got me some gifts at my new job. I got a nice bottle of rum. I also got like a cute little like sign that says like, go climb your mountain, and just like a bunch of like trinkets and stuff that were really, really cute. And then I did shopping for myself, because treat yourself.
3 words for you: treat yourself.
But I didn't go too crazy because your girl's gotta save money. So I did like Sephora and Ulta, because they both give you your like free birthday gifts. So for Sephora, the free birthday gift is actually not bad. It's the Laura Mercier Cult Favorites. So you get the translucent setting powder and the caviar stick eye color. Really excited to have the translucent powder because I have not tried it yet, even though it is a cult favorite. And of course, it's just a cute little trial size. But then also comes with the eye stick, and I don't think I've ever actually tried that before. And I don't really use like eyeshadow sticks. So we have like the cute little eyeshadow stick there. I think it's the shade Caviar, I don't really know. Just a quick little swatch right there. So it's like a nice kind of like champagne-y color, so it's not bad. I could definitely use that. And then of course we have the little powder. Now in order to get my freebie gift, I did buy one thing, and this blew up on TikTok, so I'm so excited to try it out. And I think only 2 shades of the 4 were actually in stock. So this is the new House Labs that was like redesigned and rebranded. And this is the Atomic Shake Lip Lacquer, and I got it in the shade Cherry Shine. Now these are kind of pricey, and I feel like House Labs has kind of gone up in price, but this component packaging is just like it's not giving. It's really plain. It feels cheap cardboard. Like, I just feel like it should be a better like box for the price. And then this is what the actual component looks like. This is going to be your bright cherry red color, and apparently this stuff is not supposed to budge. So it is a little bit more on the watery side. I think I did shake it, but boom, bright red. And apparently this stuff is not supposed to go anywhere. I think I saw Nikki tutorials and Michaela like use this, so I'm very excited to try that out. So I bought one thing, and I got so many free things from Sephora. I think I also got this free little moisturizing shower cream gel. I've had this before in a full-size thing and I loved it, so I'm gonna use that up and probably buy some more. And I also got this RMS Beauty. It is their Re-Evolve Radiance Locking Primer. So we have a cute little primer there that you can try out. Yeah, I think I also got this little perfume sample from YSL. This is the Mon Paris, or Mon Paris, I don't know, fancy stuff, so don't know if I like it or not. I like keeping these in my purse in case I forget to perfume on in the morning, but it's okay. Like, it kind of comes off strong in the beginning, but then it definitely smells more like sweet with like floral vibes. I don't know if it says what it's supposed to smell like in here. It smells really sweet. Like, it has like a musky kind of scent, but then like the sweetness undertone goes through, so it kind of balances out. So I think I actually kind of like that. And then I think I had like 100 or 150 bonus points, so I just added another little freebie. And this is from Rare Beauty. This is the Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. I think I literally only have one other thing from Rare Beauty, and I think it's like a brow product. So just a cute little mini mascara. Let's take a look at the wand. Ooh. And just like a standard straight bristle wand. So we will have to try that out. And then I went over to Ulta and I did kind of like two separate orders because there was a lip day sale for Jacqueline, and then I got my freebie gift. So my freebie gift, I could either have done it online or in store, and I just went in the store. So it ended up being the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's just like a little tiny bottle that it's like whatever. I used it once and I woke up in the morning and I had like stuff all over my face. Like, it just was like flaking off, so I don't think I'm a fan of that. I also bought another hair product from the brand Pattern, which I've been trying and I really, really do enjoy. And this is a curl mousse. So I used to love Treseme's mousse, and I still have some I need to use up, but I wanted one that was Curly Girl approved, and this is one because it doesn't have any phthalates or sulfates, or it's paraben free, phthalate free, silicone free, gluten free, sulfate free, formaldehyde free, so it's good for your hair. And I have used it and I do enjoy it. And then my lip products that I also bought, I bought two Maybelline Superstay matte inks. So I got the shades Globetrotter and Amazonian. And these are pretty good at staying. I have tried the one shade because I think it matches like perfectly with the shirt that I'm wearing. So I usually use this shade if I'm wearing the shirt. Alright, so Globetrotter is that one, and then Amazonian is that one. I love those. Those are amazing. And like I said, I got some Jacqueline products. I think I got one lipstick and 3 lip liners. So I got Confidence in the lipstick. So there's Confidence right there. And then for lip liners, I got In Control, Cupcake, and Caramel Latte. So I'll just go ahead and swatch those. Well, I was gonna go swatch In Control, and it broke. So there's the tip right there. That's very, very unfortunate. All right, so we have In Control, Cupcake, and Caramel Latte. So it's really sucky that the In Control one broke. I think these are sharpenable. I hope they are. Okay, so if you haven't heard this for like probably the millionth time, FabFitFun box is a seasonal subscription box, or you can pay for the full year, which is what I do. It used to be like $200 for the full year. I think it like, or $180 for the full year, but I think it like went up. All I know is that the last time that I did it, I think I paid in the spring. I paid at the price that it normally is for this year, and then it's gonna go up again. So I don't even know how much it costs anymore. And this used to always be my favorite box, and that's why it's the only subscription box that I still have. But it's been hit and miss lately. But I think they might be going up and getting a little bit better. So let's take a look. Okay, so every box comes with a magazine that I don't read because it doesn't include the prices of everything that you got, which is kind of annoying. So it's usually kind of pointless to me now. Alright, so I'll just skip that. Again, I will go through all the prices and put them on the screen so you guys know and how much the box is worth at the end. They always throw in like coupons and stuff. I always put them down in the description box too if you guys want any of them. There's some book club for kids. There's Bright Sellers and Daily Harvest if anyone is interested. Alright, now to get into it. The first thing is the Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap. It's a little bonnet thing. I have one, but I would like another one to change it in and out of. So as a seasonal member or like an annual member, I think is what it's called, you can choose everything in your box. So like there's no really mystery to it. There is a mystery option, but like if they give you the options, I kind of want something that I know I'm gonna enjoy. So, alright, so this is pretty much the same as the one I have. The one I have is pink. I think this one is actually a bit bigger, so that's cool. And it's blue, and it just like wraps your hair up in it, and then you have like a little tie, and then you can hook it onto a little button. I love these things, and they're great for your hair to prevent breakage and all of that. I do know I also had some extra credit, and I think I might have like paid something to add something into my box, so I'm not sure what is what, but these might be an add-on that I paid for. I've been wanting them for a while. These are like the wool dryer balls. So these are from the brand, I don't know, let me take them out of packaging. Alright, so these are the wool dryer balls. These are to the market, 100% organic wool dryer balls. So these are a healthier option than like dryer sheets to make sure you get rid of all the static. And then you can also like put a few drops of essential oil on them if you want to like freshen up your laundry and stuff. But you just throw one into your laundry and then you can reuse them. And they don't have any scent or anything. They literally smell like sheep's wool. So I've been saying I've been wanting these for a while, and I think my fiance is like, why do we need those? So now we have 3 of them, and he's gonna deal with it. All right, next we have something from Summer and Rose. Oh, my automatic lights are turning off for my plants. They turn on and off. I think they turn off at 7 o'clock, so it just got a little darker in here. But anywho, these are the Summer and Rose Winter Bath Bombs. So there are 4 bath bombs all wrapped in gold. I love taking baths, and as the weather gets colder, I like to take baths more with some nice hot chocolate. So these are supposed to be like a wintry scent, I think, but I think they just work all year long. Like it doesn't need to be a specific season to use them. So these are cinnamon aroma scent. And they have sea salt, sweet almond oil, witch hazel extract, and vitamin E. It's also cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and vegan. So, love those. Ooh, I can smell them and just kind of smell like straight cinnamon, but like it gives me like winter vibes, if that makes sense. All right. Oh yeah. The next thing is from Dr. Brandt. I love the skincare line, but it's so expensive. So usually I only get products in my FabFitFun box. But this is a hydrating essence. It's to tone, soothe, and revitalize. I think it's just a spray. So it just says close your eyes and spray evenly, about 6 inches from the face. Ooh, that's a nice spray. It's very, very refreshing. I do have like some stuff all over my face, but oh, it feels nice. I feel like that's actually gonna do something for my skin because I have like a rose facial spray and I feel like it doesn't really do much. But this does have glycerin and propylene glycol in it, which is good. It has wine extract and rose extract and sodium hyaluronate. So it is going to help moisturize your skin. I am running out of my hyaluronic acid, which is really sad, so I need to get more, but this might help in the meantime. All right, yep, this is the other skincare line that I do really, really love, but again, they can be a little bit pricier. Not too bad, but they can get a little up there. This is Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, Hydrating and Soothing. I feel like I've gotten everything from their watermelon line, all from FabFitFun. I've had their hyaluronic acid twice, their overnight moisturizing sleep mask. I think I've had like a peel, watermelon peel or whatever. So this is their moisturizer, and I think like Hiram really likes this one too. And I really, really like this packaging. Again, it's pink, it's glass, it's wavy. So I'm very excited about that. All right, next thing is from Unite. It's the 7-second detangler leave-in conditioner. I am betting now that this is not 7 seconds, but I am running out of leave-in detanglers and sprays, and your girl needs all the help she can get when she brushes out her hair. So I'm very excited about this. I don't know if it's curly hair approved or not. Ingredients, it has alcohols in it. I can't tell if they're drying. It does have cetyl alcohol, which is a moisturizing one. It does have silicone in it. It has rice protein, which can go either way. It has sulfates in it. And it's got, this is definitely not Curly Girl approved. It's got sulfates, silicones, and perfume fragrance in there. I'll try it out to see if it works, if it actually takes only 7 seconds to dangle my hair, and then I might pass it along if I don't like it. Oh, I forgot there's something from Fenty Beauty in here. This is the Stunna Lip Paint. Did I choose this? I don't know, maybe I did. This is the Stunna Lip Paint. It's in the shade Unbutton. I don't remember if I chose this or not. I feel like I didn't. I'll have to like open up my app and see. But it's a nice nude. I feel like the only other shade I have in this is like a bright, I don't know, reddish purple color. So it's just such a weird component. I feel like I could stab someone with it. And I always feel like these ones are a little watery too. So they could get a little messy about like application, but it's a really nice, just simple nude. So not bad. Let me wipe that off instantly before I get it all over myself. I have a very beat up box of, I think it's just a random thing they added in here, which is the Lumify drops. So these are supposed to whiten your eyes, which I can sometimes struggle with. They're not too bad today, but like I just randomly have red eyes all the time. Like some mornings I wake up and it literally looks like I'm stoned, and I'm not. I just have really red eyes. So I heard this like kind of stings or like feels really weird to use. But now I have them and I'm actually excited to try them. I've been wanting to try them for a while. And then for like my big thing that you can choose, I was gonna go with something originally, I forget what, but then my fiance was complaining about one of the fry pans that we have and it's very uneven and wobbly and it's like a hand-me-down one. So I was like, all right, well, there was a frying pan option. So let me get this instead. This is from Phantom Chef. It is an 8-inch fry pan. It's supposed to be non-stick, and I've never heard of this brand, so hopefully it's a good one, and it can replace our wobbly, uneven one and make Jim happy. So right off the bat, it's smaller than the one we were gonna replace, and it is deeper, but it has a really nice handle. I'm loving this texture. It's like soft matte, but like fake wood look, and like it has like a nice like thumb thing here, so you wanna like flip some omelets or something. Huh. This is actually really nice. This is so cool. It's not as big as the one that we wanted to replace, but hopefully he'll like using it. All right, and that's everything in the fall FabFitFun box. I feel like it's not really giving fall vibes, but that could also just be because of the options that I chose, so I just did it to myself. Again, I will list right here how much the box was worth. And overall, I am liking this box. I like every single thing that's in here. I'm not regifting anything unless the detangler doesn't work with my hair. But other than that, like we got makeup, we got some bath stuff, we got some skincare, hair care, and a frying pan. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this box. Again, there's also a discount code down in my description box. I think it's like $20 off of your first box. If you guys are interested, that code will be down there. And yeah, that is everything. So hopefully now, with fall and spooky season upon us, I will be able to upload more videos and edit because I have so many fun things planned for this fall season, like including an Alice in Wonderland thing, my Halloween costume, which I've been waiting and dying for, festival, and maybe going to do some like October stuff, so we will see. Well, that's everything for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, which will now be more frequently than before. I love you guys, and if you subscribe to my channel, I welcome you to Feline family. Bye!